Good morning, dear kids. Today we'll be taking our exercise 11C, and in that we'll be doing the multiplication of algebraic expressions. In that, your first problem is, if you can see, that is 8ab square. You have to multiply by minus 4a cube b4. That means you can see there is a monomial multiplication by monomial. In that case, you have to multiply number with number. Then you have ab square multiplied by a cube b4. First you multiply number with number, that will be minus 32. Here, if you notice, there's a here, multiply with a cube. a के ऊपर कुछ एक्सपोनेंट नहीं है, मतलब 1 है, and when it is multiplied with a cube, that means it will become a4, because if you have same base and your exponents, if they are in multiplication, the base are in multiplication, the exponents will be added, so you will get a raised to 4. What about b? b2 and b4 will become b6. So your final answer is minus 32a4 b6. Clear? Next I will take your problem number 4. I'll be doing random problems. 4a is multiplied with 6a plus 7. Now 4a will be multiplied with 6a and 4a will be multiplied with 7 also. So how you will write it? 4a plus 6a plus 4a into 6a plus 4a into 7. That will be 24a square, and here 28a. You will keep it as it is, because these are no like terms. These are not the like terms, so no any operation will be performed in this. So you have to keep it as it is. Next, I'll be taking your 7th, that is x plus 4. You have to multiply by x minus 5. So you have to take x and multiply with the complete bracket. So it will be x minus 5. You have to take plus 4 and multiply with the complete bracket, that is x minus 5. X into x, that will be x square. Minus 5 into x, that will be 5x. Plus 4 into x, that will be 4x. Minus 4 into 5, that will be plus 4 into minus 5, that will be minus 20. You have to be very considerate about the signs which are used in the expression. So it will be x square minus 5x plus 4x, that will be minus 1x minus 20. That's your answer. Next I will be taking problem number 15. That is minus 3 upon 2 x5 y cube, which is multiplied with 4 upon 9 a square x cube y. Again, as I said you have to multiply number with number, and you have to multiply your x5 y cube with a square x cube y. Now my dear kids, when you multiply number with number, you have 3 4s are 12. If you want to reduce it, it can reduce. Yes, so it will be minus 4 upon 6. It can further be reduced. So that will be minus 2 upon. And you have to multiply your x together. You have x5, x3, that will become x8. y3, y1, that will become y4. And a square, you will keep it as it is. Clear? Next, I will take your problem number 17. That is 2a cube minus 3a square b, which is multiplied with minus 1 upon 2 ab square. My dear kids, let's start. You have to multiply this half ab square with this also, So 2a cube into minus 1 upon 2 ab square. Again you have minus 1 upon 2 ab square multiplied with minus 3a square b. Got the point clear? Now you have to multiply 2 into minus 1, that will be minus 2 upon 2 down. A cube into a, that will be a4, and b square here. You can reduce this, so it will be minus a4 b square. Minus minus will become plus. 1 into 3, that will be 3 upon 2. A square into a will be a cube, b square into b will be b cube. And that's your answer. Clear, my dear kids? Hope you have understood this. I'll take up next when you have trinomial and binomial, and you have, no, this is my monomial, I'm so sorry. And this is polynomial, which is consisting of 4 terms. How to multiply that? I'll take 5x square minus 8xy plus 6y square minus 3, and you have to multiply with minus 3xy. This minus 3xy will be with 5x square, with minus 8xy, with plus 6y square, and with minus 3. Let's start. 5 3s are 15, minus 15, x into x square, x cube, and y. Again, be very sure, minus minus will become plus. 3 8s are 24, x into x, x square, y into y, y square. Minus plus with the third term minus. 6 3s are 18, and it has x and y, it has just y square. So that will become xy cube. Then you have again minus minus becomes plus for the fourth term. 3 into 3, 9 xy. If there are any like terms, you can perform the function of addition and subtraction. If there are no like terms, then you have to keep it as it is. Clear? Next I will do your problem number 2. That is 3 minus 2 upon 3 xy plus 5 upon 7 xy square minus 16 upon 21 x square y, and you have to multiply by 21 x square y square. Let's multiply 21 x square y square with 3 first, so that will be minus 63 x square y square. Now this sign of minus minus will become plus. You have to multiply 21 x square y square with 2 upon 3 xy. You can reduce this by 7. So that will be 7 into 2, 14. X square x, that will be x cube. Y square y, that will be y cube. Am I clear with this? So that will be 14 x cube y cube. Next is minus 21. Now for the third term, minus minus, sorry, this is the third term, minus plus becomes minus, and you have to multiply 21 x square y square with 5 upon 7 xy square. You can reduce 7 ones are 3s are, and 3 into 5 will be 15. X square x will be x cube, y square will be y4, and your sign is minus, so minus 15 x cube y4. Your next for the fourth term, minus minus becomes plus. So now you have 21 x square y square, multiply with 16 20 upon 21 x square y. 21 gets cancelled, so you have 16 x square will become x4, y square y will become y cube. So that will be 16 x4 y cube. Easy? Shall we take with next? Next we have simplification, where we are given with 2 brackets. I will solve directly your fifth problem. You have 3y plus 4z in one bracket. In other bracket you have 3y minus 4z. First you have to solve this. Further your problem is 2y plus 7z with y plus z. You have to open this bracket, my dear kids. How you will open? 3y with the entire bracket, 3y minus 4z. Again this 4z plus 4z with the entire bracket, 3y minus 4z. And this plus sign here. This 2y with y plus z and 7z again with y plus z. So you have to take each term of one bracket and multiply with the other whole bracket. 3 into 3, that will be 9, y into y will be y square, 3 into 4 will be 12, yz will be yz, plus 4 3s are 12, yz, minus 4 4s are 16, z square, plus 2y square, plus 2y into z 2yz, plus 7z into y 7yz, plus 7z square. Now you have to check if you have like terms. You can see that minus yz and plus 12yz is cancelled. So you have 9y square minus 16z square plus 2y square plus 2yz 7yz will be 9yz plus 7z square. Take y square together, so that will be 11y square plus 9yz minus 16z square plus 9z square, that will be minus 9z square. Am I correct with the thing? Okay, so that was the easiest. You have to just open up the... Why deliberately I took the fifth problem? Because it has the complexity. It has addition in between and you have to multiply 2 brackets here and 2 brackets here. Getting my point clear? Next I have the adjacent sides of a rectangle. So if this is a rectangle, these are the adjacent sides. One is given x square minus 4xy plus 7y square and your other is given x cube minus 5xy square. Now you have to find area. My dear kids, your area is always length into breadth. So length is given to x square minus 4xy plus 7y square. And your breadth is given to x cube minus 5x square xy square. Now you have to multiply this. So each term of your binomial, you have to take it and multiply with the entire term, entire expression. So x cube multiply with x square minus 4xy plus 7y square and minus 5xy square you have to multiply again with x square minus 4xy plus 7y square. Open the bracket, so you will get x cube into x square x5 minus 4 x cube x4 y plus 7 x cube y square minus 5 x and x square x cube y square minus minus becomes plus 5 4s are 20 x and x becomes x square y become y cube plus you have plus minus will be minus here 5 7s are 35 you have x y 4. Now if you have any like terms you can put them together and do plus or minus however it is required, or else you can keep them as it is. Getting my point clear? Next you have a triangle. For that base is given 3x minus 4y and altitude. What do you mean by altitude? Altitude is a perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the base. Getting my point clear? So altitude is given as 6x plus 5y. So AD value is given as 6x plus 5y and your base BC is given as 3x minus 4y. So now if you want to find the area of triangle, the formula is half base into height. That will be half into 3x minus 4y and 6x plus 5y. My dear kids, I have taught you how to open 3x minus 4y and 6x plus 5y. You have to take each term 3x 6x plus 5y के साथ multiply करना है, minus 4y 6x plus 5y के साथ multiply करना है, brackets open करना है and whatever will be the answer, you will keep half with it. Keep half with it and leave this answer as it is. Clear? I'll pack up here. God bless.